the speaker that he had asked for permission.
Okay.
I don't trust the speaker.
So the problem...
So I don't know if that will happen or not.
Okay.
Oh. Me no know.
But you never asked her for permission before?
No.
Oh, I never feel you needed to?
No.
Okay.
No.
You like Juliet Holness?
I was just gonna...
You like her?
What are your thoughts?
I don't know her.
Okay.
I don't know Juliet Holness. I know the Speaker of the House.
Okay.
And the Speaker of the House that we have is very biased, very partisan. And in her own words, she said it on an interview recently, that she's learning to be fair. So I can't really play well with someone who is just at their ripe age now, just learning to be fair. I want a speaker who is able to look at the issues and weigh them, because let's go back to when I spoke the few words in Patois. An enlightened speaker in my mind could have looked at it to say, here's a culture spokesperson, a first-time MP, speaking a few words in Patois. Let me see where she go.
Yeah, and probably
let me see where she go.
Pre it in context and see the whole picture. Let me see where she's getting.
Let me see where she go. And then by God, man, if she see me go on 2-3 minutes into this, then stop me. But somebody who could have looked at the moment, who had that self-awareness, and that comfort with her culture and her language and herself, maybe, could say, let's do this for the culture. Let us allow 2 lines of patois to be spoken by the member, and maybe it could inspire that child in Johnson, that child in Catadopa to say, proudly speak your language when you need to speak it, confidently speak it. The moment was bigger than the speaker, and she reduced it.
It certainly proved to be, with all the social media commentary and people having them think pieces about it. Why am I asking if you like her? Because this is the first tiff with her. Because I think last year she, have a little tiff there as well. I think she have as a blabberer all going. You think she like you? Let me ask you. You think she like you? I think
I don't think she know me, but the truth is, I know me alone, she have problem with it. I just think the speaker she likes to be in control. And I mean, that kind of control that perhaps you can get away with in a marriage. If you want to control your husband, for example.
That's crazy.
You can't control grown people sent to parliament to represent their people. There is disorder and disrespect, but then there's also control. Because, it's not a school mistress, that's not a school mom with children in a basic school. We were all elected and sent there. But for me, I don't want to make this conversation about the speaker. I want this conversation to go back to women being given responsibility